to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, and kama kawaida, as usual, we give all the glory, all the gratitude to God for blessing us with another beautiful, amazing day, guys. Oh, leo niko happy kama kawaida. I'm always happy. As you can see, having a new hairstyle. Mmenizoea na shaved one, but am I not looking beautiful? I know I am. So today, I want us to make chapati, and not just plain chapati, but you're going to be making malenge nito or pumpkin and carrot chapati. Yes, all together, all in one chapati. So I'm going to be giving you the recipe of how I make my pumpkin carrot chapati. You can choose to use any ingredient, be it banana. There are those who use dania, any ingredient. If you just want carrots alone or pumpkins alone, it is your choice. So it's going to be a bit short because nitaonyesha kukanda. There are people who don't know how to mold the dough. After molding the dough, now the second process, kuna very many procedures watu hufuata. Kila mtu anakuanga na njia yake ya kupika chapo. So I'm going to be showing you my style, my way, and if you see it good or best, you can try it, or even you can change yours to mine if you like it, that is. So let's get to it, guys. So guys, here are my tools. I have my pumpkin here, sijato hiyo maji, because I'll be using it. And then I have my carrots already grated. Unaweza grate any size that you want, maybe kubwa kubwa, tudogo, any size that you prefer. And then I have my wheat flour. I have my oil here, I have my salt, and I also add sugar, salt and sugar to taste. So let's get to it. I'll be adding flour. Here I estimate. So I'm so sorry I won't be giving you exact measurements, but I'll just estimate according to familia yangu. So I'll be adding flour. It's ile ya baking, ni ile ya inaitwaje, chapati flour ama ile home inaitwa nini hiyo, ile tu unga ya kawaida ya ngano. So siende kununua self raising kupika nayo chapati. Self raising ni ya keki. So as you can see, here is my flour. Na mi kwangu sipikangi chapati, napika nyingi watu wanatoa kiu, si ya kuonjesha watu. So nitagawa kidogo cause bado nitaongezea. This is how I do it. So I'm going to be adding some salt. I just estimate. This is very optional. You don't have to add it. Very optional. So I add to taste, not to yani na balance. Sukari na chumvi. So this is my sugar. And you add all the dry ingredients first together. So sukari isikuwe nyingi na chumvi pia isikuwe nyingi, isikuwe to balance. Kama unajua kuestimate, hapa sasa ndo naifanya. But it's very optional, no? You don't have to use it. Your hands should be very, very clean. As you can see, sina nails refu. So whatever I'm doing is very healthy. So here we are. I'm mixing. You can use a cooking stick to mix. Mr. Kangi stress nyingi, because already my hands are clean. So the whole process I'm going to be using my hands. So next I'll be adding the carrots. I'll mix thoroughly. Mix vizuri. Then next next I'll be adding my pumpkin. You can mash them before, but mi uzimashia tu hapa ndani pamoja na hiyo maji baada ya kumwaga. So nimeacha zika cool so it's easier. I'll just mash them zikiwa hapa ndani na unga and mix. To have some water here, some warm water kwa zile ya pumpkin ingetosha. So I have not lukewarm and not cold but not hot. Iko hapo katikati, si moto si baridi na si warm, yani iko tu hapo katikati. Yeah, that's the hiyo ndio napendaga, yani that's what I use. The people who use cold water, there are those who use extremely hot water. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Cha tuitengeneze kidogo, we mix it well so that we can add our water. This gives chapati a very nice taste. So let's add some water. Then mix. Then fold in. It's called folding in. You fold in. I usually add a bit excess water so that every ingredient can be able to mix well. So as you can see, I'll add a little more water, so that I give every ingredient the chance to mix well. So this is now when I add my flour until I reach the consistency that I want. Don't add too much, just add bit by bit, little by little, gradually. And as you make your dough, make sure you also clean your tin or wherever you're using. If it's a basin like mine, make sure by the end of it, don't leave the flour huku kando. Make sure imeng'ara. Nanda tu ukisafisha hiyo unga unatoa huko kando. No wastage. You should not waste anything. So bado it's still sticky. You need to still adding flour. Kuna wenye anakanda anaacha unga nyingi sana huko kando. No wastage. It's almost getting there. As you can see, it's almost. If you're using your bare hands and you're not using gloves, Make sure your nails are short and clean, and also make sure you don't have any nail polish on your nails, because they tend to get out uh, when you folding in the flour, when you're making the dough. Unapata unaona macutex huku ndani, which is not healthy. So make sure you have short nails, or if not so, use some gloves, kitchen gloves, during this process. I'm almost reaching the consistency that I want. It shouldn't be too soft, as in too sticky, and also it should not be too hard. So you need to balance everything. So my dough is almost ready. Still sticking a bit, so I'll add some little flour. Just a little. Ladies, kama hujui kupika chapati, this is your video. Siache mzee anunue chapati huku ati unanunua ile ya 10 ama mbao. Get the tools, get the recipe, and get going. Also, men, for those who love cooking, grab this recipe. Go try it out. So guys, we are at our final stage. Kiangalia, our dough is very ready. Very soft. So we are done with the flour. So we're going to be adding some little oil, because also there's another step that we will be adding oil. So I'll just measure with this. Very little. I don't like too oily chapati. Anything too oily inakwanga tu hata iteremki. So very little oil. I'll fold in so that the oil can mix well. There are those who prefer putting the oil in the water, but this is my style. This is how I do it. As you can see, my basin is very clean. Haina unga huku kando, hata huwezi dhani nimeitumia. Because nikikanda nilikuwa naenda nikitoa unga kando. Remember, hakuna anything ya kuwaste hapa. So then if you want, you should need to just stretch your dough. Stretch it. Ukiona ina stretchika vizuri, kama ina stretchika vizuri, that means iko ready. Haifai kustretchika ile iko sticky. As you can see, it's not sticky. As you can see, my hand is sticky. Iko sawa kabisa. You should be able to stretch your dough. You know, stretch it. Let it stretch. Yeah. Stretch your dough. And so guys, the next process, ukisha kanda chapo, after as in ukisha kanda your dough, now we want to leave it to settle, to sit. Naitonga to sit for like it depends, 15 to 20 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes. So if you're planning to cook chapati, make sure you prepare your dough earlier so that you can give it some few minutes or even hours to sit. Yeah, it's very important. Huh? It even softens the dough well. Yeah, so hii yetu tutaiweka, as you can see it, tutaiweka for some time, isit for around 15 minutes. So we cover it. I'll use my kitchen towel to cover the basin. Just cover it and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And then now we go on with the next procedure. So guys, after 20 minutes, here is our dough. Very soft, very soft and fluffy. Yani ni soft vizuri. It is so soft. Yeah, it rests for 20 minutes. So it's ready to be cooked. So guys, hope you've learned something. You've learned how to prepare carrot, pumpkin, chapati dough. Today's video was all about that. I'm going to be preparing another video for you guys to learn how to cook it, how to prepare the chapati. And so hope you've learned something. Maybe you've been using another strategy and you'd like another style. You can feel free to use this recipe and hope you're going to like it. Thank you so much. If you're coming back, asante sana. And for those who are new, karibuni sana to Almax Kenya. We are all about educative and entertaining content. You can like the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. It surely supports my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I have a new video and I upload it, you're the first to get it, guys. Asanteni sana for your support. This far we've come. Many interesting and educative videos for you guys this 2022. Hii mwaka nayo lazima tugonge 1,000 subscribers and above because the contents that are coming are fire. Yeah, they're fire, guys. So don't forget to share with other people that you feel might be interested and might need the information. So for now, guys, we wrap it there. It has been your girl. So until next time, bye bye.